What's up friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my this new video how I promote ClickBank products with Instagram. It's an 100% workable and proven method. I started this method on February and right now I am promoting ClickBank products using Instagram, and I will show you all of my case studies, all the results that I get using this method. So guys, be ready to complete this tutorial, and if you are interested to promote ClickBank products using Instagram, then apply this method. I assure you, you must get result. Okay guys, and in this video you see here what you will get inside this tutorial. You can see here how to create an account on ClickBank, okay, how to choose best product from ClickBank, and how to generate free traffic from Instagram. All this you will get in this video. I will show you step by step everything. So if you are a newbie, if you advanced marketer, it doesn't matter. If you can apply, if you want to apply it, then you have to follow all this tutorial. Okay, so don't miss any important part of this video. I will show you everything. And if you see here the best part of this method, then you see here you can promote ClickBank products today. It's an evergreen way to make money online, and if you can grow any social platform day by day gradually, then that brings result for evergreen day, for a lifetime. Okay, so don't want to get overnight result. Okay, you can make 40 or 50 per day, and day by day you can grow it, and you can generate unlimited free traffic. Okay, over 1 billion people using Instagram per day, active users, so unlimited free traffic, and just need to spend 40 minutes, and you can do everything using your cell phone. I will show you step by step everything what I do. And you don't need any coding skill, marketing skill, or working skills. Okay, and you don't need to create any kind of content. It may be website post, it may be video, it may be any review writing. No, just simple copy and paste, and totally beginner friendly. And in the case of Instagram marketing, it's one of the most important thing. In the case of Instagram marketing, you don't need to think about copy paste. You can download image from my profile and you can simply upload it. It doesn't matter. You can download any of the content, you can post any of the videos on Instagram. Here is no copyright issues. Okay, so it's simply copy and paste. Just follow my method, just follow my tutorial, and start your Instagram journey, and start your promoting your ClickBank products. Not only ClickBank products, you can promote any of the high ticket program. You can promote your YouTube channel, you can promote any of the low ticket program, you can promote Warrior Plus product, DDS store product, Zebizu products. It's depends on you. Okay, your traffic generating process is the same, but you can promote any of the products. Okay, any of the marketplace products. Even you can promote any other niche. It may be health and fitness. I will show you make money online related niche. Okay, but you can promote health and fitness, you can promote beauty, you can promote sports related, you can promote any type of physical product like mobile phone, any kind of gadget. Okay, so you have to complete this tutorial and follow all the steps, then you can promote any offer, you can choose any of the affiliate marketplace. Okay, it depends on you. You don't need to follow me, you don't need to copy paste me, or if you wish you can do it, but if you want to promote any other products, then you can do it. So guys, I am Raju Bhadro, affiliate marketer of Legendary Marketer, ClickBank, Zebizu, and many other high ticket programs, and making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing, by online marketing. And I am working here over 8 or 9 years. And in this video, I will show my case study, how I choose products from ClickBank and how I promote it using Instagram and how I make this type of result. Okay, see it. I started this method on February 5th or 10th, and right now I will do it, and I am doing it, and I will do it too. Sometimes I promote my YouTube channel, sometimes I promote any other high ticket programs, but most of the time I promote ClickBank products. And if you see my result by custom range, okay, January 1, let's go. And I basically promote 3 products here, and you see all these 3 products result here. Okay, I just tested just 2 months, and I sometimes I promote any other offers, but I get this result using it, and I'm really happy to apply this method. And if you can follow this method, and if you want to start it, then you can easily do it. But I request you, don't want to get overnight result. That means if you watch this tutorial and create your Instagram account, then start Instagram posting, then set up your bio, you can you added this affiliate link, that not means you get sales from today. Okay, please don't want to get this type of result. I don't get it, so I can assure you, you can do it. So you have to grow your traffic sources day by day, then you can get result. Okay, but guys, if you first inside my YouTube channel, and if you want to get a lot of money making opportunities, then subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadra, and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my new videos, new exciting videos, new updates inside my YouTube channel. A lot of helpful content here. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing, based on online marketing. I try my best to provide helpful content that helps other affiliate marketers to generate traffic, to get high ticket sales. You see here a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. So if you really want to start affiliate marketing journey and long run your affiliate marketing journey, then you can subscribe my YouTube channel. I can assure you, you will never be disappointed to subscribe my YouTube channel. A lot of helpful content here. I try my best to cover ClickBank method, JVZoo method, CPA method, various free traffic, Google ads, everything you will get, everything you will get inside my YouTube channel. Okay, and if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month, okay, like me, then you can check my number on recommendation here, or you can check my video description, don't miss it. Okay, so guys, let's let me show all of my case studies, and uh, how you can create account on ClickBank, how you choose the best products. And I promote 3 products, I will show you. You see here I promote all these 3 products, and I will show you everything. So at the first, you have to create your ClickBank account. Okay, in this step, how to create ClickBank account. Okay, visit ClickBank, and you see here, after visiting clickbank.com, you see here sign up. Click the sign up button. Then it's 100% free to join. Select your country, select your first name, select your last name, select your phone number, put your email address, your password, and check all this is okay or not. Then click the term and condition and click continue. To click here join ClickBank. It's simply you can join your ClickBank account, and it takes 24 to 48 hours to get approval. And after getting approval, you can get the giant of digital product marketplace. Okay, the ClickBank. a lot of products, thousand and thousand products inside ClickBank. You can choose any of the niche. It may be make money online, affiliate marketing related niche, health and fitness, home and gardening, uh, beauty, muscle building, finance, betting, every kind of niche, a lot of categories. You see it. After creating your account, join your ClickBank account and log in into your ClickBank account. Okay, now you have to choose products from ClickBank. I will show you how you can choose the best product from ClickBank. Visit the ClickBank marketplace. Visit the ClickBank marketplace and check all the categories. A lot of categories here. You see it. You see it. A lot of categories here. Art and entertainment, as seen on TV, betting system, computer and internet, cooking, food and wine, e-business and e-marketing, education, employment and job, fiction, games, green products, health and fitness, home and gardening, language, mobile, parenting and family. A lot of categories here. You can choose any of the niche and you have to follow all of my method, all this training. Okay, you have to follow this training that I personally do inside in Instagram. You just have to do it, but you can choose any of the niche, but system is same. Okay, now I promote e-business and e-marketing, and let me show all these three products. It's, you see here a lot of products here inside ClickBank, but I promote this on this 12-minute affiliate system. It's one of my promoting product. Then I promote ClickBank University, and another one is free traffic freedom. Okay, it's another product that I promote here. And where is the ClickBank University? And another is ClickBank University. You can check here. You can search. If you search on here, then you can get it. ClickBank. Sorry, CB University. CB. Oh shit! Where is this one? Okay, guys. I don't want to waste your time. So you will get a lot of products. You don't need to follow all these three products that I promote here. You can choose a lot of products, but I will show you the system how you can get the best product. At the first, you have to focus on the selling system. Okay, its initial and conversion 20 on. Okay, recurring or reveal nothing, and gravity is 206. Gravity means how much affiliate makes sales this product. Okay, then if you check other product, here is gravity 144, here is 85, here is 104, here is 107. If you see the 12-minute affiliate, then 146. Okay, you see I get 1450 on kili hopes, and initial sale here, reveal sale here. Okay, so you can choose your affiliate products like this OS. You have to focus mainly on gravity score, then is it a reveal product or not, this type of then you can choose this type of products. Okay, so after choosing your products, or if you want to promote health and fitness related products, then visit this health and fitness or green product games, then you can see a lot of products here. And the same system, you have to focus mainly on gravity score, then is it rebuild or not. Okay, then you will get all the info here, you can understand what you should do or not. Okay, and finally I will show you how to generate free traffic from Instagram. Okay, I know you have already an Instagram account, and if you don't have Instagram account, obviously create your own Instagram account and start your journey. Okay, it's my Instagram profile. You see here, I am Raju Bhadro. It's my Instagram profile username. Here is all of my posts. Here is all of my followers. Here is all of my following. Here is my bio. You see here, and here is my promoting affiliate link. If you check it, what is this on right now? Right now 12-minute affiliate. I am promoting 12-minute affiliate. Exactly, I don't know what is this. It's 12-minute affiliate. Okay, fine. And you see here all of my posts inside Instagram. Okay, it's so easy and simple, don't be afraid. You have to, if you want to promote health and sorry, make money online related niche, then simply post here this dollar image, this dollar image. Okay, this dollar image. And sometime I post my own images here. You can post this dollar image, 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 dollar. Exactly, you have to use your profile as your own profile. Okay, sometime you post your own image, sometime you post any motivational image, you can post many various dollar images, you can post various videos here. You have to use as a right way, you are a real guy. Okay, if you can use your if you can run your profile like this on, then you must get better result. Okay, now I will show you everything that I will do inside Instagram. And you see here the top key points of Instagram marketing. You must have to focus on these key points if you want to get the best result on Instagram marketing. Okay, at the first you have to set up your bio. Okay, at first you have to set up your bio. After choosing your niche, if you want to promote health and fitness, okay fine. If you want to promote sports piloting, okay fine. If you want to promote home and gardening, okay fine. If you want to promote affiliate marketing, make money online, okay fine. You see here, here is my profile. Here is my name, Raju Bhadro. Here is digital marketer, blogger of I am an YouTube influencer. My make money blog answertoday.com, and want to earn by affiliate marketing, visit here. That's it, it's my profile. And if anyone see my profile, then he or she will understand what I want to promote, what I want to show inside my profile, or what is related my profile, and what I am, everything will describe in the your bio. Okay, that anyone can understand your profile and what you want to promote, everything. Okay, then the second, post regularly. I I recommend you to make 3, 4 or 5 posts per day. Now I will show you how I post here on Instagram. Okay, I have to post here, and you can do everything using your cell phone, but most of the people don't know how to use Instagram or how to make post on Instagram using computer, and I will show you these tricks. And you don't need your computer to do this task. I personally do it using my computer. I do it everything using my cell phone, and you can do it too. And I will show you on my screen on this computer and how I post on Instagram and what you have to do for posting on Instagram, or the key points of Instagram. Okay, now at the first, I don't have any images. I can't create image. Now I have to download images from other people's. Okay, then okay, you can get a lot of images on Pinterest. Visit Pinterest. It's the best place for getting images. Okay, then search on make money online. Okay, you see a lot of images here. Then you can you see this image, 14 ways to make 500 every week. Okay, you have to save it, download this image. Okay, save image. Insta. Okay, now you have to upload your images on Instagram. Now I will show you these tricks how you can use Instagram using your computer. Okay, click the right button, then inspect. Okay, and you see this bar. If you want to use it on your phone or tab or computer, okay, click here, then reload it. Oh no. Okay, you see it. Then first put the right button, click the right button, then inspect, then using it phone or tab or computer, then click it and reload your Instagram on. You see here all this bar of Instagram. Okay, now you have to upload images on Instagram. The image, that's is Insta. Okay, oh my god, what is this? This image resolution is too big. Okay, no problem, I have to use other image. Okay, I have another image on my desktop. Okay, Suppose I want to use this image. It's one of my review image. Okay, I want to use this. Oh my god, what is this? It's one of the problem using computer to post on Instagram. Okay, I want to try another image. Okay, sorry. Okay, I choose this image. It shows zoomed here. Okay, click the next button. Okay, here is the image. Okay, now all your key points that I will show you. At the first, you have to set up your bio, then post regularly, and the third key point, you have to write a short description. Okay, you have to write a short description about this product, about this image. You see here, this is on 14 ways to make 500 every week. Okay, you see this description here, you can put this on. Okay, you can copy this and put your description. Okay, and you have to use hashtags. Okay, you have to use hashtags, and it's the must and the mandatory element of Instagram marketing. If you don't use any hashtags, then you can't reach your post never reach a lot of people. Okay, you have to use right hashtags. Okay, this post, this image was related, make money. Okay, if you choose other niche or health and fitness or other niche, then you have to use that right hashtags. Okay, I can use make money online. Okay, make money online, make money, and then affiliate marketing, then millionary. Okay, then online marketing. Okay, you have to write this type of hashtags, and that's all the key points of posting on Instagram. Okay, then simply click the share button. That's it. Then you can add your location, you can add tag people, but it doesn't matter. Just simply post your on your Instagram. And if you check the profile now, you see here it's my added post. That's it. And if you check on of my other posters, you see here this is on of my post, and you see here is my description. Okay, here is my description, here is my writing tags, and you can use 30 tags. Okay, 30 tags, and I suggest you to use 30 tags. Okay, then you see here these people love it, and it's my post. Okay, then if you check my other post, it's one of my video. I am a TikToker too, and it's one of my TikTok video. What's up friends, Raju here. Then at the same way, here is my description, then here is my tags. Okay, you see here is my tags. Then if you check another post, then you see here is my description, here is my tags. Okay, and I suggest you don't use copy paste tags. Okay, try to use various tags. And inside Instagram you will get the instruction of tags. So just write make money. Okay, then you will get all the tags about make money. Affiliate marketing, then you will get all the affiliate marketing related tags. You will get weight loss, then you will get all the weight loss tags. So you have to, I suggest you to use various tags. Okay, now the another tricks, it's another tricks, follow other people. Okay, it's another tricks to grow your followers. You have to follow other people's. You see here, I personally do it, follow other people's, and I get this follower. Okay, and I get quite response on my Instagram post. You see 150 views here. If you see 140 loves, and if you see 108 68 views, if you see 223 views, so I get quite better response, and very soon I get more and more better result from Instagram. And I am posting here a minimum 1 or 2 posts per day. If you don't believe me, then you can check my profile. And obviously if you have to check my profile, and inside the video description you get it, my profile, and you can follow me, and you can follow my marketing system, everything you can get inside my Instagram. Okay, and finally, don't want to get overnight results. Okay, in the case of Instagram, not only in Instagram, in the case of any kind of organic growing, don't want to get overnight results. Okay, if you want to get overnight result, and if you are frustrated, upsetted, then you can't grow your any of the traffic platform, and you never make money online, I can assure you. So guys, that's it, that's all the key points of Instagram marketing. If you can follow it, then you must get better result. And I hope this video will help you to follow this method, apply this method, and you can make money online using Instagram. If you like this video, then like it. If you have any question, then comment in the comment box. I am always here to reply your question, to reply your queries. And don't forget to share this video with other people. Okay guys, and if you first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro, and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my new videos, new updates inside my YouTube channel. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing, based on online marketing, a lot of money making opportunities, you get it inside my YouTube channel. Okay guys, and if I repeat all this method, all this system once again, then at the first you have to create your ClickBank account, then visit ClickBank marketplace, and they get a lot of products here. Choose your targeted niche and choose your targeted products that I showed already in this video. And finally you have to start your Instagram marketing. You have to post regular 3 4 5 posts per day, and you have to do everything that I showed in this video. So guys, that's it. And if you like this video, don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you want to make over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. So guys, that's it. And if you face any problem, then comment in the comment box. I am always here to reply your question, to reply your queries. And another 2 ways to get traffic from Instagram, that's you can message directly other people's. Okay, if you sorry, you see here are all of my followers. Okay, and you can message any of the people. Okay, you see here is message block. Okay, doesn't matter, message block. Okay, you see here, see this message. Click the message option. Then you see here, type your message and send your message. Okay, you can send message on your promoting products. You can send message to follow your profile. When you send message with inside your followers, then send your affiliate program. Okay, and when you send message with other people's, then message them to follow your account. That's it. Or you can message your affiliate products too, but I don't recommend you to message or comment on other posts. You can do it, but slowly. Make 10 to 20 messages per day, just 10 to 20 messages, and not at a time. Right now, 2 messages, 3 messages, then 1 hour or 2 hours later, 1 or 2 messages. That's the way. Otherwise, you can Instagram can ban your account, or your message can be flagged. So you have to follow it. And you can post other people's, you can comment other people's post. Okay, it's another way to get traffic on Instagram instantly. But you have to grow your Instagram profile day by day. I recommend you, and it's the right way, the best way to start your Instagram marketing. So guys, that's it. Don't forget to like this video, comment this video, and share this video with other people. So guys, see you soon in the next video. God bless you. Bye.